Hey, I am here at 918 Tucana. We are doing drone footage today. We are checking out this home from a bird's eye view so we can give you the best possible vantage point of how truly spectacular the views at this home are. How many places in San Diego are offering 3,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, ocean views, great entertaining features, low fees. I can't wait to show you the rest of this home and also give you a fresh perspective of it as well. Let's check it out.